All right, time for step 5 in the escrow process. And step 5 starts out by ordering homeowners insurance. What homeowners insurance is, it insures your home against any kind of disaster or perils that might happen. So if you have a flood on the home, if there's a fire, things like that is what you want to have that homeowner's insurance for. Whether you're buying a house or you're buying a condo, you need to make sure that you have homeowner's insurance. Below are 3 companies that we've used in the past to provide homeowner's insurance. We know all of them, we trust all of them. I encourage you, if you have your own insurance person, talk to them and at least one other person on the list, or talk to at least 2 of the people on the list below and make sure you're getting the best deal. If your insurer has any questions regarding the home that you might not know the answer to, feel free to give us a call and we'd be happy to answer any of those questions for him. In addition to the insurance policy is a home warranty. And a lot of times in deals we're able to negotiate for the seller to pay for those, but when we get in a competing situation, sometimes we might not be able to get the seller to pay for a home warranty, and you might want to get a home warranty yourself. What a home warranty will do is if you do run into issues with the home, maybe you have a spigot that's leaking, you're having electric that's not working, anything like that, you can call the home warranty company, pay a deductible, usually around $100. You pay the first $100, the home warranty company pays the rest to get those repairs done. The cost of a home warranty is going to range from around $300 on the low side to about $800 on the high side, depending if the house has an AC, a pool, if you want to cover the appliances and whatnot. So below are 3 companies as well that we've used in the past when it comes to home warranties. We know these companies, we trust all these companies. So if you are interested in getting a home warranty on your home, just let Rosie, our closing coordinator, know, and she can help set that up for you.